Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to introduce Wondershare Filmora, a powerful and easy-to-use video editor for Windows. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, Filmora 15 can help you create amazing videos. Let's get started. First of all, what is Wondershare Filmora? Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software designed for Windows. It allows you to edit videos, add effects, transitions, music, and text, and create professional-looking content easily. It is perfect for YouTubers, students, marketers, and anyone who wants to make videos for social media, school projects, or personal use. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of Filmora 15. Easy-to-use interface, drag and drop editing for beginners. Multiple video tracks, edit multiple clips at once. Effects and transitions, add creative effects, overlays, and transitions. Text and titles, create animated text and captions. Audio editing, add music, sound effects, and voiceovers. Green screen, replace backgrounds easily. Screen recording, record your screen for tutorials or presentations. Export in multiple formats, save in MP4, MOV, or share directly to YouTube. So, who can benefit most from it? Wondershare Filmora 15 is great for YouTubers and content creators, students making projects or presentations, marketers creating social media videos, hobbyists and vloggers, anyone who wants to make professional videos easily. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, Wondershare Filmora is completely safe to use. It is developed by Wondershare, a trusted software company used by millions worldwide. The program does not harm your computer and ensures your projects and files stay secure. Now, how to use it. Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open Filmora and create a new project. Import your video clips, images, and audio files. Drag them into the timeline and arrange them. Add transitions, effects, and text as needed. Edit audio, adjust colors, and preview your video. Click Export to save your final video or upload it directly to YouTube. In just a few steps, you can create professional-looking videos. Now, if you want to unlock all features and remove watermarks, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So that's everything about Wondershare Filmora 15 video editor for Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.